Hello everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today we are playing with the February card kit of the month for Spellbinders. This is called Spring Delight, and if you saw last month, you know they've kind of changed it up a little bit. So these I feel like are kind of geared more towards beginners. There is an add-on die set. I will show that as well. But if you just buy the kit, or if you just subscribe to the kit, this is what you're going to get. This is called Spring Delight. Like I said, February 2023. Let's pull out each of the pieces as we go. I'll actually pull out the card first, and then we can talk about what comes in the kit. So for our kit, like I said, Spring Delight, you're going to get 8 cards and 8 envelopes, 20 A2 card panels, pattern paper cardstock, the whole gambit here. It tells you on this kit, this card that comes in your kit, you'll get a couple of examples right out of the gate for just a couple of ideas for what you can do with it. And then on the back, we'll even have how to put together a card. So I like these little card inserts. That way you can put them with your kit or keep them with your kit, and then you know what comes in it. So let's set this off to the side, and then we will talk about each of the things that come in the kit. Like I said, geared towards beginners, we're going to pull out our, this is the adhesive. For each kit, you always get a roll of double-sided adhesive, and then you also get a thing of foam squares. So we have our foam squares here. We've got our roll of double-sided adhesive. This makes it great for if you're an on-the-go crafter, and I sometimes am. All right, here are your 8 cards and envelopes. They're all A2 sized, so you can, again, if you're on the go, you've got card bases and envelopes to go ahead and get yourself started. Next up, we have some A2 card panels. There are 20 of them. So it looks like you're probably going to get them in various colors. So we've got some navy blue. You get 4 of each. So basically it's, if you put these all together, it would be one sheet of 8 by 10 cardstock, or 8.5 by 11 cardstock. You got some pink, you also have some yellow, and then you have some light green. So these are nice springy colors, very fun. 4 of each color to make 20. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side. Next up, let's pull out all the things. Next up, you're going to get some patterned paper. Now this is a little different than the previous kits that they used to give out. It used to be like a full patterned paper pack where you'd get a couple of each one, but I think you're only going to get one of each one. Oh, that's pretty. So you've got some little ducks or geese or whatever you want to call those on this sheet. Let's go through each of the patterns. That's pretty. And these are wonderful for layering. So they're lightweight. Oh, I really like the color palette here. Oh, that's cute. We've got bunnies and teacups. Very fun. I like that there are some more solid ones. We've also got some florals. Oh, ice cream, how fun. Some suns. Let's move down here. Ooh, and some of these have some gold foiling in them. Ooh, I love this lemon one. That's really pretty. All right. Oh, that's really cute. I love when there's text on some as well. I don't know why, it's like one of my favorites. But here you have all the pattern papers. You can get a feel for how those colors are going to work. I like this. I think this is going to be great for some spring cards. And they're only single-sided, so you don't have to worry about trying to make a decision. So we've got our pattern paper. Next up, we have some cardstock stickers. They always usually come with these. Check these out. Or no, these aren't the cardstock stickers. These are the chipboard embellishments. So here are some chipboard embellishments. We have some sentiments. We've got happy, adore, besties. Then we've got some like your kindness is beautiful, rise and shine today, all smiles. Hope today is simply delightful. And then some other ones that just have little springy sentiments, thinking of you, just a little something. And there's some on the back. We've got some cute little bunnies, an owl, a goose. Oh, this is cute, the lemon tree. Some more sentiments, just like little pinwheels. So these are cute, and I feel like, you know, they give some good dimension and stuff. So you have that. Here are our cardstock stickers. Let's see how many of those. This looks like it's pretty thick, so we've got a good amount here. Ooh, check it out. These are cute. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of them. I love it. There is a full one with all sentiments. And, oh, these are like all of them. Like you've got thinking of you, you've got Happy Easter in here, Our Sweet Story, Laughter and Love, Hello Spring, Just Because, Happy Day, Missing You, Welcome Baby. So this, you can even make some baby cards in here. Here are a couple of other sentiments, but along with some other of those cute spring images. More sentiments, and even more. So this is great. I like this. These will be great to embellish those pages with, or those cards with, or pages. So keep that in mind. You could decorate some scrapbook pages with these as well. All right, so we went over the chipboard embellishments. Then we have these sequins. Ooh, check these out. These are flat back. There is no hole in them, and they're like a translucent, like a green. Super pretty, very springy. I like that. And there's different sizes in there. It looks like you've got a couple different sizes. You got big ones and you've got smaller ones. So that's great. Next up, we have some die cut shapes. So here are die cut shapes. You get a ton of these. I don't even know how many you get, but we'll just kind of pull a few out. You're probably going to get, looks like a lot of flowers, maybe even some animals, but let's pull a few of those out. And it's always 2 per, it seems. Like, so looks like these are a bench. You get 2 of those. Basket, houses, flowers, lamppost. So, you know, you can do a little scene building in here. Oh, how cute is that one? I love that. You got a door. There's a few sentiments here, like this one says good times, a wheelbarrow. So you can have a lot of fun making up your spring scenes or whatnot. Lots of florals in here, which makes sense. It's spring. So you get all those, as well as what's in here. And then our last little bit is some puffy stickers. So let's pull those out. Well, I guess we don't have to. It's one sheet of puffy stickers, and these are all sentiments except for a few like little hearts and stuff. We've got delight, fun, bliss, lovely, friendship, happy moments, remember, love, fresh air, family, memory, sunshine, smile, sweet, special, friends, cute, celebrate, hey, and bloom. So that's great. You've got so many sentiment ideas, lots of images to play along with, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this kit. Let me go ahead and pull in. So this is what you get if you just get the card kit of the month. There is an add-on. Let me pull that out. That is our die set, and it is Spring Tea. So let me pull each of these pieces out. So this is separate. Keep that in mind. If you want this, you'd have to add it on. And so we've got like your little teacup, and this says Happy Spring. So that's probably going to fit in there. It's not going to cut it out, but it'll give an impression. We got some pinwheels, some flowers. We have our stem. Oh, we even have a little bunny head. That's cute with a paw, so he could be coming out of the pot if you, or the teapot if you want. Here's the handle for the teapot. We also have some more flowers with an impression, some more leaves, and there you go. Little centers for the florals and whatnot. This could go on your pinwheel also. How cute. How cute. So that is the add-on. So we are going to make some cards using this kit, and I'm also going to at least make one card with the add-on. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, because you are going to want to see what I make with it. And yeah, if you like this kit, let me know. Let me know what you're excited about in this kit. Are you ready for spring? I know some of us are very much ready. It's funny, where I live down here in the South, it has felt like spring almost the entire time, at least the spring I was used to growing up. So don't know if I'm there yet, but yeah, so come on back and check out what I make with it. And I'll have it linked down below so you can go check out the kit yourself. All right, everybody, we'll see you soon. Bye. Well, the power went out when I was trying to make these cards, so I'm just going to go ahead and show them to you. You'll see them. I'm also going to have a link down below to my blog, so if you'd like to go check out each of these cards a little bit closer or take a little bit more time to see them, you can go to my blog and you can take a look at them. But I had a lot of fun making these cards. That first one might be my favorite with the lemon. Then there's this one. We've got a lot of things popped up. I thought this one was sweet. Just 3 of those little flowered images. And Happy Day, my friend. And then our fourth image, or our fourth card, was a sweet one as well, using some of those chipboard stickers. But that last one uses the add-on with the little bunny in the teacup, and I think that one's a really sweet one too. I even put a couple of pinwheels in there. And I made a little welcome baby card. So like I said, I will have my blog linked down below. Be sure to go and check that out so that you can get a better look at these cards. And I do apologize that there's no video. Like I said, the power went out and I was just making cards. All right, everybody, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.